This is a brilliant Bible code I found when I first started doing the Bible code. I downloaded the Bible Code Millennium software on the 16th of May 2008, and I've been doing Bible codes ever since. I'm a world's expert at it in gematria and numerology and maths. You won't beat me at it. I see patterns everywhere, like in the stock market. But this is an interesting one. The King James. Oh, I put bile. King James Bible, Romans 10:2 verse 3. For I bear them record that they have a zeal of God, but not according to accurate knowledge. For they, being ignorant of righteousness and going about to establish their own righteousness, have not submitted themselves into the righteousness of the Lord. What's this talking about? What's the code? As you can see in the scripture above, if you start with the B in bring and count every 6 letters backwards, it spells out Bolton. Fred Bolton was the presiding overseer at the North Hykeham congregation of Jehovah's Witnesses. I don't think he liked me much, because once I was talking to him, he said, make sure you keep taking your medication. So there it says, for I bear witness. Oh, I'll just tell you how many letters. That's every 6 letters. 6 is imperfect for mankind, which Fred Bolton is. For I bear them record that they have a zeal for God, but not according to knowledge, or they being ignorant of righteousness. So that's what Jehovah thinks of you, Fred Bolton. You're ignorant of righteousness. You have a form of godly devotion. Of course you do. Everybody does. But it says that in 2 Timothy chapter 3, where it says they have a form of godly devotion, but prove it false to its power. This is the trouble with these elders. They think God is with them, and they're not. Jehovah's with me. Look at my supernatural light last night on the video. Anyway, that's that Bible code. Bye for now.